Escape Rooms Live. Like, comment, and subscribe. The Earth Day Cleaning Crisis. Starring Tiana and Jasmine. Hi, we are cleaning our neighborhood since today is Earth Day. Okay, let's start now.
Hey, you! Stop littering!
Go team! Water break!
This stinks.
Hey, did you see that lady who was littering?
Yeah, I think I saw her. I think she went in the direction near the trees.
Lol.
Great, now we're trapped.
You see, I'm Gabriella, Gabby for short. I hate clean and neat stuff. And it is a tradition to make a mess on Earth Day. Oh no! Can you guys help us? Good luck. Solve the quiz to get the key.
Click the lock to answer the quiz.
Good luck.